सर नमस्कार।
नमस्ते, कैसे हैं? अच्छा, वीडियो पे तो आपसे बात हुई थी।
यस सर, वेरी वार्म वेलकम सर।
थैंक यू। नमस्ते।
सभी सर
इन लोगों को कर दो।
कोई नहीं
नमस्ते, क्या नाम है आपका? डॉक्टर सलीम। थैंक यू। नमस्ते। नमस्ते, कैसे हैं? किस डिपार्टमेंट से? अच्छा। नमस्ते, कैसे हो भाई? क्या नाम है आपका? अच्छा, वेलकम करते हैं आपको। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग। अभी तो छुट्टी था। अच्छा, ऐसे बोलो। क्या नाम है आपका? वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। थैंक यू। तो कैसे आना हुआ? जब छुट्टी चल रही थी
बुलाए सर।
आगे। अच्छा किया, अच्छा किया। क्या नाम है आपका?
जनरल सेक्रेटरी स्टूडेंट यूनियन।
नमस्ते। वाइस सेक्रेटरी जगदीश कैंपस स्टूडेंट यूनियन। नमस्ते बेटा, कैसे हैं आप? आपका क्या पोजीशन है? डिपार्टमेंट तो उर्दू। आपका बेटा क्या नाम है? और यूनियन में क्या पोर्टफोलियो?
बीए काउंसलर फ्रॉम ईस्ट डिपार्टमेंट।
अच्छा, प्रेजेंट है। अच्छा अच्छा। नमस्ते बेटा। थैंक यू। क्या नाम है आपका? अभी काउंसलर हो? नमस्ते। क्या नाम है आपका? नमस्ते। क्या नाम है आपका? काउंसलर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ? थैंक यू।
मैं कंप्यूटर्स डिपार्टमेंट से
यूनिवर्सिटी दिख रहा है? कहाँ? किस डिपार्टमेंट?
सर इंग्लिश
काउंसलर भी है। नमस्ते, कैसे हो? कोई छूटा तो नहीं स्टूडेंट? सारी सी बात हो गई? और कितना नहीं? नमस्ते सर, कैसे हैं? कैसा हो? लगता है उर्दू डिपार्टमेंट बंद होगा।
Professor Saket Kushwaha, University of Ladakh, in charge of Registrar, Mr. Nawang Tunduk, the Controller of Examination, Professor Vishnu Namgyal, Associate Director, School of Agricultural Sciences and Technology, Dr. Namgyal Dorji, in charge of Administration, Kargil Campus, Dr. Mehboob Ali, my dear colleagues and students, Junaid and Salam. I, Dr. Mohammed Salim, Coordinator of Department of Environmental Science and Biodiversity Research Center, Kargil Campus, would like to welcome you all to this momentous occasion as we gather here to celebrate a new chapter in the journey of University of Ladakh. We are incredibly honored, sir, and delighted to welcome our newly appointed Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha, to this esteemed institution. The University of Ladakh stands as a beacon of knowledge and progress in this beautifully breathtaking yet challenging region. And today we welcome a leader who we believe will guide us towards even greater heights in academic excellence. To honor our Vice Chancellor, sir, I request Dr. Mehboob Ali, in charge of Administration, Kargil Campus, to formally welcome our Vice Chancellor, sir, with a traditional kata, a bouquet, and a memento.
महबूब अली साहब का दिल भी नहीं तोड़ Thank you.
Of Ladakh University student in Kargil Campus. Can Ms. Sakina Yasmin Tolcha, Secretary, to present a token of affection to our Honorable Vice Chancellor.
Thank you. मतलब स्टूडेंट यूनियन के लिए आप लोगों ने धीरे से ताली बजाई.
On this occasion, our faculties from academic arrangement have decided to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor with an indigenously curated bouquet containing auspicious and native species of plants, herbs and flowers. And for this, I would like to request Dr. Shabir, Department of Botany, to present the bouquet.
Yes, sir. No, sir. It's ordered, sir. It's ordered plan, but it can be one plant for that because it is used as a scientific application and we export it.
तो इसको आप लोग बाहर प्लांट कर देंगे?
Yes, sir. But it can also be.
Okay, fine. We'll keep it here in the VC office. We are going to create an office here.
Yes.
I'd like to request Dr. Mehboob Ali, Kargil Campus in charge of administration, to kindly present the PowerPoint presentation and a welcome address. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha, Mr. Nawang Tunduk, the in charge registrar, University of Ladakh, Professor Vishnu Namgyal, Controller of Examination, University of Ladakh, Professor Delbel Namgyal, Associate Director, School of Agricultural Science and Technology, University of Ladakh, faculty members, students of the campus, non-teaching staff, a very good morning to all of you. It's my immense pleasure to extend a very warm and heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha, to Kargil Campus, University of Ladakh. Dear sir, please accept my sincerest gratitude and warm welcome on behalf of the family of Kargil Campus. Dear sir, your visit to Kargil Campus immediately after assuming the charge of Vice Chancellor is a testament to your firm commitment, dedication and vision for the holistic growth of all units of the university, sir. Sir, your distinguished academic background, coupled with the profound administrative experience, fills us with the immense hope and confidence that the University of Ladakh is poised to reach new heights under your dynamic leadership, sir. We are deeply inspired by your latest message to all, which is the University of Ladakh rooted in traditions and focused on the future, sir. This message envisages your vision to elevate the University of Ladakh as a beacon of academic excellence and cutting-edge research, as well as a movement for realization of Ladakh's self-reliance, innovation and youth empowerment.
I would like to welcome you once again, sir. Hearty welcome to Kargil Campus of University of Ladakh. And thank you, in charge administration and Kargil Campus, for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of the Honorable Vice Chancellor. सर मेरा एक चीज़ रहेगा और मैं हिंदी में ही बोलना वो करूँगा कि कारगिल कैंपस एंड ले कैंपस जो हमारे हैं, I think in many ways Kargil campus has excelled in the field of administration बी इट द फील्ड ऑफ टीचिंग या बच्चों के जो अचीवर्स हैं उसने काफ़ी एक्सेल किया है इवन इन द फील्ड ऑफ क्लीनलीनेस एंड अदर थिंग्स आल्सो दे आर वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड एंड दे हैव डन ग्रेट वर्क आल्सो सर
Please accept my very warm greetings from in person from Saket Kushwaha and from the position of the Vice Chancellor of Ladakh University. I decided to be here on this day because I have just given my joining on 1st of February, you know it. Sunday I was seeing some other things, but I decided not to come here on Sunday because before coming to this place, I thought it is also wiser for me to visit the campus over there also. If I visit on Sunday, that means I have to tell everyone to come on Sunday, which to me is not very fair decision to invite. I mean, you have only one day as a holiday. You put up so many plans for Sunday. So I decided not to give trouble to any person on Sunday. So I visited in Ladakh on Sunday. We did little thing here and there. On Monday, I visited Leh campus. And on Monday itself, I started my journey. You know, yesterday was Monday. So half day I gave to Ladakh campus. Half day I used to make a journey, and today I am together with you. ये आपको ये बताने के लिए है कि there are two eyes only. Okay? In our body we have two eyes. We don't differentiate between two eyes. Only for the purpose of convenience we have given a name right eye, left eye. Right? Not beyond that one. Both eyes are given equal weightage in the system. So both campus, whether it is Leh campus or Kargil campus, they are dear to my heart and they will be given equal privilege. You see, but you know, when we take decision, we have to also consult the book also. In system, like before I came here, there was a book, there's an act, there's an ordinance, there's a rule, regulation, there are some approval. So I asked registrar and he said that sir, there is a document in the file which is like a roster for us to make visit to this campus. But from my side, I promise that every Friday and Saturday and half of the Sunday or maybe 2 days I will be here in a week. Every week. That will be like almost half time period. Okay? Because registrar was very clear that sir, number of students are many here. He has never said, he never told to me that he never compared to campuses. He said, but students from this area, they are performing better. But he did not tell me that student of Leh is not performing. They are also performing, but here they are performing better. So I will try to give privilege to you also because I told your coordinator also few moments ago, credit must be given to those whom it is due. अगर आप ऐसा तारीफ वाला काम कर रहे हो तो मेरा फर्ज है कि मैं उसको प्रमोट करूं, तो वो मैं करूंगा। अभी बहुत सारी बातें हो रही थी, अवश्य मुझे डॉक्यूमेंट दे दो बच्चों वाला। तो जैसे एक इम्पोर्टेंट था कि बीसी तो मैं आऊंगा पर्सनली, तो मैं खुद यहीं रहूंगा और मैं ऑफिस अटेंड करूंगा, बच्चों को काम दूंगा, पेरेंट्स को, कम्युनिटी को, सोसाइटी को देखने का मैं सीन। ओके? और मैं एक पोर्टल भी खोलने जा रहा हूं जिसमें आप ग्रीवांसेस अपलोड करेंगे। तो तो आप अपनी ग्रीवांसेस बताएंगे, ठीक है? जल्दी बता देता हूं। पहली बात तो सभी को समझना है कि सपोज एक एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको देता हूं। सपोज यू हैव अकाउंट इन द बैंक and you have money in your account. Suppose you want to withdraw the money from your account. What you are supposed to do? Only two instruments are there. Either you have a checkbook, you sign the check of the amount you want to withdraw and give it to the counter. But counter will not give you money unless your signature is the same which you have signed. That means there is an office procedure. Suppose your own brother is bank manager and you go to your brother, say, "Bhaiya, give me my money." He said, sign the check or sign the withdrawal form. तो आपने फॉर्म भर दिया कि मुझे 10,000 रुपया चाहिए अपने अकाउंट से और लिख दिया अपना नाम लिख दिया, आपका भाई आपको पैसा नहीं देगा, बोलेगा वही सिग्नेचर करो जो आपने उसमें किया, कह रहा है ना। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हर काम करने के लिए एक लॉ होता है, एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है। हम जैसे तैसे सिस्टम नहीं चलाते हैं। आप यंग बच्चे हो, अभी आप सीख रहे हो, तो अभी आपको बहुत सारी चीजें साथ सिस्टम में मालूम नहीं है। आप हमारे साथ बैठोगे, हम आपको सारी बातें बताएंगे कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं। जो कर सकते हैं वो कैसे करेंगे और कब तक करेंगे ये भी आपको बता देंगे। जो हम नहीं कर सकते हैं वो भी आपको हम बता देंगे कि क्यों नहीं कर सकते। देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन